Former Congresswoman Corrine Brown will be back in court later this morning.
In 2017, Brown was convicted of wire and tax fraud charges after prosecutors said she used a fake charity as a personal slush fund. Her attorney successfully petitioned for a retrial. News4JAX reporter Ashley Harding live from the federal courthouse in downtown Jacksonville this morning. Ashley, a potential plea deal today would stop the retrial from happening.
Vic, and it had been scheduled to take place this fall. Now, the new court filing really doesn't say much of anything, only that there is a change of plea hearing today. Corrine Brown herself is also not saying much, but in the next few hours, we do expect to see her enter the federal courthouse. Again, she's not saying very much, but she did say, however, everything will come out today. 5 years after her initial conviction in federal court, former Congresswoman Corrine Brown appears to be ready to agree to a plea deal. News4JAX reporter Jim Piggott called Brown yesterday and tried to get her to say more.
Can you tell us what you're changing it to?
Tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow at 11. So I was planning on talking to you afterwards.
And we will certainly be there. Are you confident that everything is going to work out well for you?
I want you to know God has been good to me.
In 2017, a jury convicted Brown of using the One Door for Education fake charity to fund a lavish lifestyle. Brown was sentenced to 5 years in federal prison, but was released in 2020 due to COVID-19 concerns in the prisons. Then a year ago, an appeals court decided the local judge during her trial was wrong to dismiss a juror who told others that the Holy Spirit told him Brown was innocent. After her conviction was thrown out, prosecutors made the decision to retry the case. But if a plea deal does happen today, the case would be over. Former federal prosecutor Curtis Fallgatter worked with Brown early during her appeals and wasn't surprised by these developments.
A little bit, but not terribly, because of the age of the case, the complexity of the case, the number of issues, reversal on appeal, issues about retrial, can they get a conviction, age of Congresswoman Brown. So really, for both sides, this is kind of a smart decision to bring some finality to the case.
And Fallgatter went on to say he does not believe Brown would serve any additional prison time, saying that is something she simply would not agree to. Once again, that hearing is starting at 11 o'clock right here at the federal courthouse. News4JAX, of course, will be inside. We'll keep you updated on the developments later on today. Reporting live, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.